The government is rolling out favourable tax regimes and policies to support local vehicle assembling. Trade Principal Secretary Regina Ombam says the government is seeking to leverage on increasing automotive investments to generate employment opportunities. Speaking during the launch of the new Jeep and Citroen automotive brands, Ombam challenged financiers to tailor flexible financing, especially to electric vehicles customers, to drive its uptake.
It is this DNA, ladies and gentlemen, that will drive this expansion of our product and service portfolio, filling in gaps, offering viable alternatives, and carving out new niches in the Kenyan and East African automotive space.
Our reliance on imported parts has actually been a big hindrance to growth. And so as a government, key policies around automotive policy that really allows for duty remission schemes is actually a way of really helping us grow this industry to the level that we want.